guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. Today's video is going to be what sold in November just on Poshmark. So if you like this kind of video, if you could give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, all of those things. They only take a second and they really help me out a lot because I am trying to get monetized. I don't make any money from YouTube. So if you like, comment, subscribe, if you watch all the way through, because I need a lot more watch hours to get monetized, that really helps me out a lot. It might not seem like a big deal, but it really does help me out a lot. So today's video is what sold in November. I almost didn't even want to make this because I've just been clearing out inventory. I didn't even look at the number, but in like 2 days, I sold like almost 100 items, and I sold things for very cheap. This was like, get rid of anything that, basically, I just accepted offers on anything. I did half off my entire Poshmark closet. I accepted bundle offers. I sold a ton of bundles with like 10 plus items, and most of it's stuff I'm not even gonna bother share because I barely made money on some of it. It was honestly just clearing out old inventory. I did make money on everything. I didn't lose any money, but honestly, it was just clearing out stuff because I'm really trying to raise my ASP. I had listed a lot of stuff that I should have just sent to Thredup. I don't have any labels at the moment. I'm still making boxes. I actually have a video. It's gotten over 1,200 views. That means so much to me. I will link it up here, all about Thredup. So yeah, if you want to watch that, you can learn how to make money on Thredup, but I don't have any labels at the moment. So I was just listing anything I came across. And I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to make the boxes, stack them in the corner. So yeah, I sold basically everything I sold this month was for less than I wanted to sell it for. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to share a couple. Yeah, I did make a decent amount of money this month, but it was a lot of low sales added up. So yeah, I'm just going to share a couple, mostly things that I mentioned in previous hauls or whatever. Okay, so the first one was a new with tag Zac Posen knit geometric pink dress. I purchased this a long time ago. I think I purchased this over a year ago. Style was like really popular back in the day. A bunch of celebrities like wore this style and stuff. Zac Posen is very hit or miss. This was sitting for so long, I had no interest. I was thinking about sending it to the Real, but then I got an offer for $50. I was like, okay, that's fine. I just want to have less items, a higher ASP. I sold so many mall brands. I sold this Anna Sue dress. It was a one-shoulder beaded tulle dress. This took up so much space. It was very poofy, but it was really pretty. It had like kind of like leaves or whatever, and it was embroidered and it had rhinestones and beading. It was really pretty. I wanted a little more than $38, but I got an offer and I accepted it, mostly because it was super bulky. Next was a For Love and Lemons Skivvies Floral Bomb Lace Skirt. I sold this for $54. That was fine. No, this was another one that I've been sitting for forever. It was a new with tags Marc Jacobs Bomber Moto jacket. It had 3/4 length sleeves. Yeah, it retailed for $388, but it honestly was a kind of dated style. And I got an offer for $45. I did not pay very much for this, so I accepted it. Okay, this is the brand Haute Hippie. This is very hit or miss for me. This is one of those brands that retails for a ton but doesn't resell for a ton. This shirt retailed for about $250. It was 100% silk red peasant blouse. I sold it for $32. I wanted a lot more, but I got an offer. Yeah, a lot of bundles of a ton of like mall brands. Yeah, so my closet, I had almost 1,000 listings, and I did delete some to send to Thredup, and I sold a ton of stuff for cheap, and now I'm at like 670 listings. So I need to get listing. I'm trying to work on cross-listing everything because I've been bad at that. But yeah, I literally got rid of hundreds and hundreds of items. So this was the brand Acne Studios. They're black high-rise skinny jeans. They retailed for $240, and this is like a really nice brand, and they were sitting for forever, and I got an offer for $27. I was really disappointed, not gonna lie, but I just accepted it because they've been sitting for forever. Okay, sold a Classiques Interior genuine leather wool trench coat. It was a 100% merino wool, and then it had leather, and I originally had sold this on Thredup for $180. It got returned, unfortunately, and I got it sent back to me, and I didn't have more labels, so I listed it, sold it for $51. on. That's okay. Okay, next I sold a Theory dark purple velvet blazer. It was a size 0, and Theory doesn't always do well for me. I actually normally send this into Thredup too. Yeah, it was just a dark purple velvet blazer, but yeah, it was really small. I sold it for $35. I got an offer, so I happily accepted that. This is another item where I was really excited when I found the brand, and then I was a little disappointed, but I accepted these offers, so it's my fault. But at the same time, it's like I just really want to be getting rid of stuff and then I just want to start fresh. I just want to start fresh for the new year. Only list expensive items, have less stuff. I'm so overwhelmed by like all the clutter. I literally have clothes here, back there, all over, everywhere. I just want less items, better items. But this was a good item. It was bed stew. It was genuine leather teal loafers. They did have fading. I wasn't sure if that was the style or not, so I did put that in the listing that I wasn't sure. I got an offer for $32 and I accepted. Okay, this was a new with tag $70 Victoria's Secret silver metallic snakeskin bag with gold chain. I paid very, very little for this, and I got an offer for $24. It's been sitting for so long, I accepted. Okay, this is one that I was really happy about. It was Blue by Betsy Johnson. I didn't realize that they had any like diffusion brands. Style name was Mari, and it was a silver rhinestone open toe heels. I realized that I misspelled something in the title, but they retailed for $197 and I sold them for $40. I purchased these at a consignment store for $8. I didn't even look up comps. I just thought they were so pretty, perfect for like wedding season and stuff. So yeah, they sold for $40 pretty quickly. Sold a pair of Lululemon Athletica black yoga pants. They were mid-rise and they did have some pilling. So yeah, I sold them for $25 and that was fine. Sold an Anthropologie 100% Tencel black dress. The brand was Sam and Lavi. The dress didn't photograph really well. It was like a drop waist and it just didn't photograph very well. It had been sitting for a very long time and I got an offer for $36 and I really was happy with this sale. Okay, I sold a pair of pants to my friend, our Bagnick. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link her YouTube here. And she has an Instagram, Poshmark, all that stuff. She purchased these, saw them in a haul video of mine, and yeah, she has really good videos. Actually, I'm gonna be mentioning her in another video once I upload it. I don't know what's coming first, but I sent my first box into the Real Reel because I'm always watching her videos on the Real Reel. So yeah, she purchased these for $35 and that was really nice of her. I really appreciate that. You should definitely check out her channel. This was 3.1 Phillip Lim white double-breasted trench coat. Yeah, I was pretty disappointed with this, but at the same time, I'm the one that accepted the offer. So I sold it for $65. Been sitting for forever. I really think I could have gotten a lot more than this, but I was just in the mood to get rid of stuff. And when I got an offer, it was like, as long as I'm making basically all of November, as long as I was making my money back and making a tiny bit more, I was like, okay, I'll accept any offer because I just wanted to get rid of stuff. And I did. I got rid of hundreds of items. So yeah, really happy with that. But yeah, there was definitely a couple things that I wish, because I also, my 50% off sale included my expensive stuff. So I did sell some expensive stuff for half off. This was in a haul not that long ago. Pilcrow and the Letterpress script. High-rise skinny jeans. I rarely ever sell this brand, but I sold them for $21. Okay, I sold a pair of Madewell new with tags. They were the dark wash rail straight jeans. Sorry for looking down, I have my computer here. I only sold these for $25, which was kind of disappointing, but they were like a really weird style. They were like kind of low rise and straight leg, just not a very trendy style. So I accepted an offer on those. They'd had no attention. Okay, sold a Peruvian Connection Pima Cotton Aztec cardigan for $32. Okay, this was a Vince purple wool double-breasted pea coat. It retailed for $375. And it did have some discoloration on the sleeves, and it had discoloration on the sleeves, one missing button, and minor pilling. Taylor Swift has worn this coat. So yeah, I'll insert a picture of her wearing that, but it's not like one of those things where a celebrity wore it and now everyone wants it. It was just like she wore this one time. So anyway, I sold it for $40 and that was okay with me. Okay, I'll just mention this because this was in a previous haul. The brand was B Darlin. This was like a juniors brand from Macy's. It was a gold sequin low back mini party dress. Sold it for $19. It sold like really quickly. The newest has Anthropologie Gill Velvet Bell Sleeve Dress for $22. Cost of goods was very low. I sold this Nautica Vintage Canvas Bucket Bag for $22. This took up a lot of space. Sold a Theory 100% Purple Rosita, or 100% Silk Purple Rosita Button-Up Shirt for $28. So I'd never heard of the brand Title IX before, but I picked these up. It was the Title IX $65 Clamber hiking shorts, and I sold them for $19. They sold really quickly. And then next was Joan and David Italian wool jacket and skirt set. These retailed for a decent amount. Resale was not that great, but yeah, I sold them both for $38 together. So yeah, this month money was okay. I mostly just sold a ton of mall brands, a ton of low-end stuff. Literally like so many $10 sales, so many $15 sales. So it's like stuff that's not even worth mentioning. I didn't sell a bunch of high-end stuff this month. So yeah, you should definitely check out my other videos if you want to see some more like higher end sales. And I also just filmed some videos on my top sales. So if you do want to see the higher end stuff, then you can watch those whenever those come out. So yeah, thank you for watching. I know this video was pretty short and not super exciting, but yeah, if you could like, comment, subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. And I will see you next time. Bye.